When you do seated elbow curls like this, especially when you squeeze your elbows together here and then pinch your shoulder blades together here, you strengthen these muscles between your shoulder blades and you stretch these muscles on the front side of your chest, improving your posture. And when you do seated clams like this, especially when you squeeze your knees together right here and really feel these muscles on the inner thighs working, and then open your knees as much as possible and feel these muscles on the outsides of your hips working, you'll strengthen this very important group of muscles right here, and you'll strengthen this muscle that runs on the inner thigh right here. Now, why this is so important is because so many people end up with knee pain because their knees collapse inward like this because they don't have enough strength here. So you want to make sure to do this move almost every single day. And when you do a high chair shoulder tap like this, where you keep your whole body still and you tap your shoulder with the opposite hand, and you really try to squeeze your core and your glutes, you'll strengthen all the muscles of your core from your hips all the way to your chest, and even stabilize your spine on the backside, which is going to make your body feel so much stronger, so much more stable, and you'll be able to move a lot safer too. Most workouts are too hard for most people, and that's why we show you beginner moves like this. If you want to try them out in a 10-minute follow-along routine customized to your body, all you have to do is click the link in the description and we'll build that for you.